That's so beautiful. You can see how close those rails are to the river, and that would have been the similar topography of the riverbank before the break-in at the Knox Coal Company here in Port Griffith, Jenkins Township. As you can see from my prior video, it goes a ways out to the riverbank, and that's why in the historical videos you can see the river swirling so close to the rails, because that was the natural layout. This is what it would have looked like before the break-in. And it's just absolutely gorgeous here today. It's a freezing cold day in the 20s, but man, I don't know if I've ever seen the river look that beautiful. And I highly recommend anyone to either walk from downtown Pittston on the rails to trails, about 1.5 miles that way. It goes all the way down to River Street in the border of Jenkins Township and Pittston. Well, no, it's actually Jenkins Township outright. But it's absolutely gorgeous. There's parking even down in Jenkins Township shortly off of River Street. I haven't been here since 2005 or 6, and this wasn't put in here. And no garbage. I mean, it's gorgeous. It's beautiful. But that's what the riverbank would have looked like. There's the mighty Susquehanna. A real force of nature. Gorgeous river. Be sure to check out my Eagle air shaft video coming up next. Thanks for watching this.